Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. Today I want to show you how to make a simple dynamic social media post. Just like this. Watch full video and please subscribe my channel. First select rectangle tool and follow the process. Choose the color deep blue. Choose your personal favorite color. Now select Ellipse tool and follow the process. Now select Ellipse tool. Go to Edit, copy and paste in font and follow the process. Now select any picture. Now go to Object and Clipping Mask. Follow the process. Our corporate social media post is ready. Hope you are like this video. If you are like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.
You watch more video like this. Please subscribe to my channel.